What's going on, traders? So I basically took my $240 account and I flipped it to $600 in one day off of one trade, right? Super aggressive trades in the beginning because obviously I'm trying to flip my accounts. But if you're new to my channel, I'm basically trying to flip my $240 account to $10,000. So I'm gonna do a quick trade update just to show you basically where I'm at right now. I'm gonna show you my trade history. So basically what you see right here is all of the trades that I took in the last week, right? So you can see that I actually bought Dogecoin and got stopped out. And then right after that, I was like, okay, let me buckle down and get really serious. So I made a really good trade on gold. Basically, I shorted it. That was election day. Then USDJPY, I made $21, and then NAS 100, I also bought NAS 100 basically on election day. It skyrocketed and everything was really good, right? And then I started to get into Bitcoin, you know, because I saw a rally. I bought it, but I was like, let me get out of this trade because it's going to be too volatile and I'll most likely lose the trade. So then the next day, you know, I'm at $600 and I think $15 or $640. But basically I sold USDJPY. So I'm gonna show you that on the screen really quick. So I got in on a sell on USDJPY. So I sold right around here and price basically shot up. Again, the markets are volatile, so I got stopped out immediately. And I was like, okay, maybe it's turning bullish because it's getting ready to break the zone. And then like an hour later, it started shooting back down and price closed down here. The next candle, it closed bearish. So I was like, okay, let me just go ahead and wait it out. I don't want to get into any more trades. But then I saw price basically break out. So I started getting into buys. I wanted to take it to the next price action area. And then again, it reversed. I lost around, let's see, let's count it up, 303, 105. So basically I lost everything that I made, right? So I was at 240 and then I got up to like around $630. And then I lost basically two trades that put me back at, I think 220 or $205 or something like that. Oh, $204.15. You can see it on my screen right now. But I got into a short, right? And I literally was so aggressive that I just put my trade into the highest leverage possible. Basically, I risked my entire account. So you can see that my entry is right here. Over here, you can see that I'm floating in profit, $416. It's Friday right now, so the markets are closed. That's why you don't see anything moving around. But basically, I got into a sell right around here, and then I shorted it. So you know, price started coming down. It retested pretty heavily, but it retested and started respecting price right around here. And then once price started respecting, I was like, okay, I'm in the clear. It started falling down here, and now we have a little retest right here. You can see that the last candle there is signs of exhaustion. So I'm gonna have to assume that price is gonna close below and then continue down. For all the skeptics, I did sync up my account to trade Zella, so you can see the same exact thing. Here are all my you know, my wins, my losses, right? And then the next day, that's where I lost pretty heavily. I lost around basically $362.78, right? So the day before, I made $389.59, and then yesterday I lost $362.78, right? So it's Friday. Let's go ahead and go back to basically my trade locker. If you look at my screen over here on the left hand side, you can see my mouse. This is a live account, okay? So yeah, I'm back at around $620. I'm floating, and I also moved my stop loss to break even. So this is a risk-free trade. If price moves all the way back up here and it hits my stop loss, I don't lose any money. So things are looking good. I'm floating in profit. So Hopefully price does continue downwards where I basically hit my my take profit. My take profit is around this zone, and I'll show you how much I could potentially make once it goes down to this level. So oh, I can't even open it up. Basically, if you go to my positions, I have the potential to make $1,297. So that's gonna put my account at almost $1,500 for the second week in this challenge. So basically I started with $240. I'm at $620 right now, floating in profit. And next week, if it does continue to go down and it hits my take profit, I'll be at $1,500. If I'm at $1,500 and I continue to flip it, I need basically 1,500, 3,000, 6,000, 12,000. So I need 4 more flips to hit my $10,000 goal. So wish me luck. If you're new to my channel, go ahead and subscribe and watch this flip challenge. I want to have fun, you know what I mean? So I put a little bit of money on the side, 240 bucks. I can afford to lose $240. And you know, this is a real test, you know, like I'm really just honing in on the charts. I'm making sure that my entries are super accurate, and it's making me stay sharp. So I'm challenging myself, and this is for entertainment purposes only. Yes, it's real money, but I just want to see how far I can take this count. So wish me luck, guys. And if you're new to my channel, once again, go ahead and follow me on this journey. Peace.